All right, welcome to the Supreme Detail Supply. Today we're talking about our iron remover product. This product is used on wheels to effectively and efficiently clean dirty wheels built up with road grime, debris, tar, brake dust deposits, everything that is taken away from the overall clean look of the wheels. It's very simple, very easy to use, very effective. So what we're gonna do is simply spray it on the wheel after we get it primed. So now what that's doing, it's gonna start the breakdown. Once you see it turn a purpley color, and pretty soon on these black wheels, you'll see it all pool up on the floor, a purple. That's the indicator that the product's working and it's doing its job, and the embedded particles and everything are falling off and getting eaten away off the car, or off the wheel. One thing to note, it may be 30 seconds and maybe 1 minute of dwell time. That's all you should really need. You can let it sit longer. However, it's not necessary. It's very fast, very efficient, and very effective. All right, so now that we let it sit for about a minute or so, it's time to give it a very light agitation with our various brushes. We got one for the barrel, one for the lug nuts, one for the cracks and crevices. It's not going to be very intensive wheel cleaning like you would typically have with other products. This is going to be very easy and very simple, easy to use. So we take our lug brush, just give it a overall wipe down. And then also another thing to note, this is good on calipers for cleaning these up. So now we've got the more intricate areas already cleaned and brushed down. Now it's time to go for the barrels. All right, simple as that. Now it's time for a rinse and dry.